Hi, Kim. How are you doing today?
Oh, pretty good.
Oh, great. Great. Well, thank you for meeting me. And I can't wait to share with everyone just some of the changes that you've had to your health since we've been working together. Would you mind sharing with us a little bit about yourself and maybe some of the top concerns and symptoms that you had when we first met?
Hey, my top concerns were hormones. I've been in turmoil probably since my 20s. I mean, it just kept going on and on. Went from doctor to doctor, never got anywhere. They just didn't specialize in anything until I met up with you. And you've helped me change my diet, find things that just I wasn't doing before. And then we started with the supplements, and the supplements made a world of difference too.
Yeah.
I feel a lot better. My blood pressure is down. I'm off my blood pressure pills. I was also taking reflux meds. I'm off the reflux meds. So
Amazing.
those are two big yays for me. I mean, I made a big change. A lot of the muscle issues too, and the headaches. Don't have those anymore either. I mean, very rarely when the weather changes, I might have a little bit of a flare up, but basically, I feel a lot better with this program
Wow. Yeah. I mean, those are big things. I'm sure they were impacting your life in many, many ways.
for too many years. And nobody would help. It's just
Yeah.
wasn't in their realm. Just wanted to brush it off.
Yeah. Do you mind maybe sharing with people just a little bit of how we got to the point of helping you with your food plan and that specific type of vitamin and supplementation plan? Because, like some of the symptoms that you did mention, we did decide to do some specific lab testing. And how did you find that process? Did you find it quite helpful?
Oh, I did. It was interesting to see and to understand. You did a great job explaining to me. Nobody else would have offered me this. So
Mhm.
I think that helped us get to the next step. I mean, we knew what we were after. We didn't know before. I had no idea what was wrong.
Yeah, I think that was one of the key things with, like you said, all those symptoms that you mentioned you'd had since you were in your 20s that had not been addressed yet. And, we really had to figure out through the lab testing how to get to the root cause of some of these hormone concerns. And I
Right.
mean, would you agree that those type of labs helped with those root cause concerns and really, like you say, getting you to understand really what was going on in your body?
Oh, definitely. Definitely. I don't think we'd be where we were at right now because we wouldn't know what was going on. And I think the way you explained everything, it all made sense.
It's great. Well, thank you so much for sharing. And given where you're at now, where do you want to go? What are your goals moving forward from here now that you really have regained so many positive aspects of your life? I know you're still healing, there's still more to do, but what's next for you?
I think that it's just, I didn't even want to share this with my family. My daughters have some of the issues as well. They're already developing in their 20s. And I think I could help them and other people. A lot of my friends don't have this problem. I really didn't have anybody to talk to. Nobody else had these issues. But even my kids, I mean, is this genetics? I mean, very well could be. So I think that this has made a difference. I feel better. I can do more. I'm awake. I feel like I have more energy. I can do things again. I'm feeling better. So I think I can take that and
Run with
make
it.
my life better.
Yeah. Amazing. I mean, you've accomplished so much in quite a short period of time, too. Congratulations to you. And it sounds like you're definitely ready to spread the word in your household and beyond.
Oh God,
um,
yeah.
about what can be done and how you can really learn how to heal your body naturally once you have the right tools to do so.
Yep, and you have to dedicate yourself to it. I mean, I don't want to feel like this anymore. I wanted to feel better, and that was the big thing. Got to do it. Life's too short.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and you definitely took action and the results are paying off. So thank you so much for sharing. I really appreciate it. And I think you provided some great detail about how you went through the process and also I think some hope for women that might be suffering with hormone imbalance that there is a way.
There is a way. There's something to look forward to.
Yeah.
Feel better. And I'm in my 50s and I've been dealing with this and this is wow. It's a wow.
A wow is great. So congratulations on your success so far. And yeah, definitely look forward to continuing to help you really get to your optimal. You're getting there. So
I
thanks so much for
appreciate your
sharing.
help. Thank you.
Take care.
Yep, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.